Because they don't get it, you know, like people.
Whoop, there she goes. Come here.
So it's been a long day.
Whoop. Get your balance. There you go. That's probably hot. It's probably hot.
What else she does, she leans. I have another puppy, it's like a Chihuahua puppy that's like half the size of her. She leans on him like when they walk around. So I don't know if she could, if she got adopted with another dog that could be her like balance buddy, you know what I mean?
I wonder how she, oh God. I wonder how she'd do in a wheel, like if a wheelchair would.
I don't know, I thought about that. But
would balance her.
She needs a kickstand.
Can you walk? I'm being lazy.
Walk. Retard. She needs a hand. And I don't know if the grass feels funny to her. Walk. Come. Come on, baby, get up.
There you go.
She can walk, she's retarded.
You're just choosing not to.
Come on.
No.
There you go. And I wonder too, like if she'll learn to balance more, you know, like.
I mean, she's better than she was last week. So, I mean, she couldn't even take 2 steps without falling. But now she, like, once she gets.
I mean, she made it a good, what, 8, 9 feet without toppling over. You made it a good bit. Oh, come here. Come here. Don't go over there. That's hot. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Come on. Oh, you going pee-pee?
Yep.
You going potty? Oh.
I'd laugh at her.
Come on. Oh, there she goes again. Come on. Good girl.
They're hot on the feet. Who's playing?
It's like she gets overwhelmed. You know, like she does fine and then she gets overwhelmed.